Hey guys, it's Party Life LPS here, and today I am playing Roblox. And we're with it. Shut up. Shut up.
We can't see you.
I'm broke. I'm so broke.
How much Robux do you have?
19. You can see
Wow.
it right there. I spent $100 just grabbing everything. Oh, come on. I need to... In my avatar, you can't see right. Oh, come on. So, 1 second, guys, and we'll be heading on to the good stuff.
Oh, God. I'm really so sorry.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're so cute.
Yep. Oh, I like this rainbow. Oh, I like this light pastel rainbow hair.
Are you sure
I
you're
only
gonna buy
have
it?
This is my avatar. This isn't my avatar.
You have Robux?
Of course I do. I have to.
Of course I do.
I do.
Instagram, you have it.
Don't you dare get on my Instagram.
I'm not.
And you're already on it.
I'm
Why?
not. I'm
Why?
not. No. Is this you? Oh, I thought it was you.
No, it's not me.
How? How do I search? I forgot. Oh, here it is.
No.
Search.
Okay. Anyways, guys, they're just becoming loud again. Let's go play some murder mysteries.
Oh.
No, that's block.
He's actually my sister. She's actually good at it.
Oh, she
Follow.
locked it. She locked her account.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow her.
Private, you mean? Sorry,
Look
we're
at
doing
them,
some
they're
stuff.
so cute. Look at my sister. That's actually his boyfriend.
I have a boyfriend.
Who is it?
His is 9. He's
Okay.
Wait 1 second.
Ah!
This account.
I see her count. Oh my! Don't please see
Private property. Private property, girl. Private property.
Loading.
Ow.
You're welcome.
Didn't even say thank you.
What's this? Whatever.
Wish. You have Wish?
Yes. I'm buying more LPS, of course.
I think he's totally rich.
What's she doing?
Maybe.
Then who's up there?
Huh?
Who's up there?
Oh, let's see. Let me go check.
Let me just.
Let me see who's up there. Yes, come on.
Who is he talking to?
Oh,
His brain could be game brain.
nobody's up here.
Oh, we have a...
I'm gonna keep inside. It'll be horrible. Close the door. Don't keep it silent. This is the baby screaming. Okay. Move it. I'm playing.
Oh God.
Oh yeah, you're scared that you'll fall.
What? It's so easy. I'm not even scared of heights.
Me either. Oh, I can finally bring my laptop up there. Can you put my laptop up here?
No.
Can you move over?
Oh God.
Thank you.
We were like driving for like an hour.
What kind of school do you go in?
A Kendall school.
Ooh.
Jane's after Laney.
What's this?
We go to
Nothing.
Crabs.
Holy, okay. Please stop shining the light on me. Okay, anyway.
Why is it face like that?
Sorry. I just like doing that.
What game do you have? Nothing?
And, I barely even have games. I don't even play games.
Oh, you're playing Murder Mystery, guys.
Yes, I am playing Murder Mystery.
I really need to sign in. That's
They
how I got
already
in.
know.
I don't know my login. I'm gonna sign in, okay?
Log in, you mean?
I have
That's
to
the
sign
same
in.
thing.
Can I just sign in, please?
Yeah. Not in this. Because I'm recording right now.
Wait, can I play with you? What are you playing?
Murder Mystery.
Okay, I'm playing.
Oh my gosh.
Like any murder mystery, she's
this?
down.
She's kind of obsessed with
April.
Roblox.
9.
Hey, do you have Minecraft?
No, but I
2008.
can install it because
I'm in
I
2008.
bought it.
Okay.
No.
No, I have an account!
Someone said noob.
No, then bacon.
Jessica 13.
Woo!
Someone-
14.
Someone says, "Are you famous?"
Me?
No, like someone else.
Okay, good. Not me. Oh, ow. We're on a bunk bed right now, and we're on the top bunk. There's 3 girls on the top bunk. Oh, God. My innocent. Okay.
Is he playing Fortnite?
Guys,
Yes.
please come to my channel.
No, thank you. Nobody likes you. Crystal. What's your real name again?
Rich.
Just call me that. I don't care.
Crystal. Crystal.
It's like a screaming at
I
me.
don't like you, Crystal.
I want to meet you.
I don't know where you are. Oh, I got died.
my god.
I died. Come on.
Oh, I think
That
I see. Which kind of knife? Wait, I don't know.
Murder mystery. A blue
I didn't help.
night. Oh my god.
What did you
do? Holy crap.
I like your hair.
Holy
Too short.
crap. I don't care.
Too short.
I don't care.
Roblox is like easy to play in a computer.
I don't give a fuck.
Uh,
Don't touch it. That was somebody else that was moving. I'm on the computer, and now I'm multitasking. My teacher says you can't multitask.
You can't. It's impossible.
I'm multitasking right now.
How?
this is panic silly.
I'm actually multitasking.
Does he play so many games?
He plays only Fortnite.
Because he's a fort. It's knife. He likes to kill people.
Fort with night.
I thought knife.
I like you.
Oh my.
Where? I'm trying to find myself here. No. I think I found myself. What does that
Which
mean?
hair stuff? Yours or my cousin's?
I
I
went in a pool, okay?
Yeah, pool.
Yeah, at the backyard. We were having a pool party earlier.
And everybody sweet liberty.
Here you go. Sweet liberty.
What's wrong with him?
I think you're in mine, but I think you're not.
What's your hair?
Someone's murder.
No, it's full. Just join a server who's both been. That was another person who jumped. I didn't do anything like that. But now it's me.
Thank you.
I'm doing.
Is he your brother?
No, he's my cousin. He's
I'm not your cousin.
my friend's brother. A little brother.
He said, I'm not your cousin.
Like type.
I'm not your cousin.
I didn't say that.
Yeah,
I'm a sheriff.
Sheriff.
Okay. Okay.
Come on, kill them. I'll show you too. Oh, I want to be the
You'll
murderer.
never be the murderer.
I've been the murderer.
Oh. No.
Crap, I better keep an eye
This is
out on
raising
these
family,
people.
boss baby. That's stupid. But boss baby's cute.
Who played 3 a.m.?
I've been in 3 a.m. before. I've ate ice cream at 3 a.m.
Wait. You know what I did?
with people.
I did 3 a.m. in the morning. Today.
Oh, yeah.
It was creepy. The Charlie was like saying something to me. Like he's not even, contact.
You're gonna die. I am a killer. Oh, shoot. Okay, I better run.
Wait, maybe.
Run.
Maybe
Wait, he's lying. He's lying. He's definitely lying. Liar.
Keep running.
Liar. I know what I'm
Get your
doing.
gun.
I already have it out,
Gosh.
you idiot.
I thought I was half.
No, it's not touchscreen.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm gonna die, aren't I?
Tap
Who's
who's
the
the killer?
murderer? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I'm scared now.
Get the coin.
I'm scared her.
Oh my
Hi.
god.
Holy crap! I better run now.
Don't jump. Stay
I'm
right there.
funky
Stay
yet.
right there. Stay right there.
Holy crap!
No, I think no one can get you.
Oh god! But I'm the.
Did he just change?
Oh, it's a different person. It's a different person.
Look at him. Who's the killer?
I don't know who's the killer.
Just kill one of them.
It's glitching again.
Kill all of them. Kill all of them.
Again.
Or
if you kill a wrong person, it's game over. I don't know. It's glitching. Holy crap.
Make your screen big. Everybody say
liar.
He said liar. Oh my god.
Good job. Okay, I'm just leaving this game. I'm joining a different server.
Really? Look at this. Look at this. Let's just wait here.
Oh my god. I am too.
Hey, where's your pickup spot?
You can find it anywhere. I can bite.
Why is it like tickling each other?
No, I'm not tickling anybody. Help me if you could see us right now. Oh my god, I see a pizza. A pizza.
You're playing pizza stupid.
Do you bite me? Look at my bite. Stop it.
What's wrong with your cousin?
What's wrong? That's not my cousin.
I mean,
Ow! You smacked me. I'm gonna listen to some music.
do you have a big house at pizza place or you
Come on, play pizza place. No.
You look so ugly.
Ugly. I'm not ugly.
Look. Do you know how to change? Yeah, of course.
Of course.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm just gonna be watching a video while I'm doing all this drama.
Drama.
Oh,
you watch that?
MSP? Oh shoot, I barely even have any more time.
Can you play Welcome to Bloxburger?
Well, I'll see. Yeah. Bloxburger?
Yeah.
See balls. Well, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.